Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's like Nutcracker movie outfit. Select this hair and color it blonde. In default, position the Y 0.38, Z 0.58, rotate the X to 0.65 and scale it to 0.44. Then we're also going to use this curly hair here in just blonde, no adjustments made for that. And then for the outfit, I'm just going to grab this skirt here, the Magical Girl Set skirt. This one, and I'm going to color it these colors, like in turns, I guess, pink, this pink, and then this, and then I think I'm going to go with this one, and then this pink here, and then for the last part, I'm just going to, I don't know what the color is actually. I'm just going to randomly color it. Then we're going to get these sleeves here and we're going to again color it in between these colors. We're going to do this one first and then this one and then this one again and then this pink and then we're going to do this pink and then this pink. Cool. For the shoes, we're going to need it from the same collection in Ballet. Also, you don't need VIP for this, so that's good. And I'm just going to go in between these colors a lot, like that. And for the top, which is just the last piece, we're going to need this in this color first, and then the rest in that darker pink color. Then, oh, you do need VIP for the crown. My bad, but it's not super necessary if you don't have VIP. And I'm just going to color it gold. Maybe like this color. And I'm just going to kind of adjust it a little bit better to the outfit, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.